Welcome with the science family.
The science family, we are the science family. Observation and demonstration, the science family. The science family, we are the science family. Observation and demonstration, the science family.
All right, science family. Today we're going to be making a carbon snake.
Yay!
All right, so Maya's going to read what we need to do to make this snake. Okay, you ready?
Okay. Carbon sugar snake. Make a fiery black snake rise from the ground with this exciting experiment. Using simple household ingredients. Learn how a burning mixture of baking soda and sugar can create a stunning carbon snake. Always be careful when conducting experiments involving fire. Be sure to only light the sand on a safe fireproof base. Is a well-ventilated area. Keep water nearby as a precaution. Remember to tie back long hair and never leave flames unattended or unsupervised by an adult.
Okay, so what do we need to make the carbon snake?
In a bowl, combine 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar with 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
That's this. So with the carbon snake, this is our mixture of baking soda and powdered sugar. I'm going to put it in the middle.
Then we go make piggy sound. Piggy sound.
And then we're going to light it.
Oh, this is the scary part.
Y'all move that out. Okay.
Burn it all! Ooh, this will warm me. It's cold today. Wow! I want to be a cozy teenager. You have to be scared, Tariq. Mom, can I put some leaves in it?
No, ma'am. We're making the carbon snake, not a leaf pile.
Of course, fire! You have to be scared. This is a movie. Be scared. Of course, fire. A snake! Did it burn the baby?
No. Y'all need to move that.
Burn it all. Ow! 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 It's wibbly. You see the snake? Look, man, Black Panther, see? Bum, bum. Look, man.
Right.
Bum, bum. Okay, keep it blowing. We're going to play a movie for you. Okay, watch our movie.
Oh, look at it, y'all.
Don't touch fire! You think you have some fire superpower or something? No! Guys, don't let babies do this at home. Don't let your babies touch fire. We're going to run into the fire. A snake! A baby snake!
That's a baby snake. Yeah.
Wow, that is snake.
No, that's the baby. 'Cause that's little.
Wow, it's burning. The baby snake is burning.
Mm-hmm.
It's burning. Now, did he say burn it off or burn it off? It's because
Burn it all. A-L-L.
It's going in the sky. It's going in the sky. That's a lovely. A-L-L-H.
Yes, sir, it is.
If I blow it, will it go out? Let's all blow it.
No, stop before y'all create a fire somewhere else. Y'all know them wildfires over in California going on right now. We don't need to do that. Ooh, that looks disgusting.
Yeah.
But it's science.
Yeah, it looks like Bergen Town.
Mm-hmm. It's burning. Get out of the smoke.
That looks like a wildfire inside the city. Doesn't it look like a wildfire inside that city? Can we light it again?
No, it's burning enough.
Nah. Ow! It looks like a little bridge. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. This is how we practice and learn how to swim. Now, can I pick it up with the bat? You see it rising up?
That's what it's supposed to do.
Oh, that looks like an umbilical cave, doesn't it? Ew. After, I want to touch this. This looks cool.
Once it's cooled down, you sure can.
What's that? No, we had a wildfire. Let me see this. Well, you know
Can I test the fire?
I'm going to test the fire. It looks like it's going down. Can I test it? Yes. Let me do that on the Black Panther movie. Let me do it. This isn't working. It's burning to It's burning! Wow! That's what science is. About fire. That's like a fire stick. Get it? Fire stick.
You're so funny.
Fire stick. Fire stick. Fire stick.
I want to stick this.
We're about to watch. Can we stick it? Can we stick it?
Yes.
Can I stick it?
Yes, you can.
You're gonna move.
What?
Wow.
Whoa. Whoa.
We created a bigger fire. What is this, Mommy? Wait, there's flames under it?
Yes. It can burn for a long time with that carbon.
More is coming out.
Don't agitate it. Let it burn.
It's bringing babies.
Come on, Miss.
It's bringing lava babies. It's bringing lava babies. See those little lava babies? It's the lava monster. Yeah, that lava monster from Roblox daycare story.
Stop.
Okay. I'm creating my own carbon snake. Can I stick it? Give me, I want to stick it. No, you already got a chance to stick it. It's Tariq's turn. Here you go.
Y'all see the different
It's
color
my turn.
flames? Y'all see how that looks yellowish color?
Yeah.
It's a different kind of smoke.
That's flames or smoke?
Smoke.
Wow. I love fire experiments. Wow. It's growing like a big, tall, old tree. Yep.
Let it grow.
Okay. Like what? Why do you keep talking about that?
Y'all get out this smoke.
Yeah, we might need some mask.
Get up.
If you do this at home,
Made it.
make sure you have a mask. Yeah, guys, never try this in your house. It will burn up.
In the carbon snake experiment, the sugar and baking soda demonstrate the concept of combustion. Combustion is the process of burning matter. When the sugar and baking soda in the experiment combusts, they are chemically changed into water vapor, sodium carbonate, and carbon dioxide. The pressure created by the carbon dioxide pushes the sodium carbonate out, which creates the black carbon snake. The reaction is referred to as the dehydration of sugar.